They've got biscotti inglese, English McVitie's, 99 cents a pack. They advertise it as for people who are goloso. So you know what that means? Golosa. These actually have a lot of calories. Made in the UK. I think I'm gonna go for the one with the oats and the grains because it's 76 a biscuit versus, or 72 calories a biscuit versus 86 cents a biscuit. I'm gonna go for this one. The ready-made foods. I think we're just gonna get a chicken instead of cooking today. Gnocchi. Oh wow.
Buona.
A selection of bread and a dip. What kind of dip is that?
Adesso ti faccio provare, to?
Mayonnaise. So, it's Enrico's birthday today? It's Enrico's birthday today. It's Enrico's birthday today.
Ciao.
Happy birthday, Enrico.
Ciao. Ciao.
And so we're at his birthday dinner in a restaurant called Al Gnotto. Okay, I made something for you.
Guarda cosa ha fatto.
It's really silly, maybe. It's a little stupid thing.
Che bello.
I made him a card because I didn't know what else to do.
Che bello.
Grazie.
Oi, oi,
But you
oi.
didn't even open it.
Ah, io pensavo fosse finito.
It says, did you see the front of it?
Sì?
Happy birthday, Enrico, and then you have to open it.
Guarda, buon compleanno Enrico. Fai i sogni grandi, c'è scritto.
I wrote like some inspirational kind of
Pensa
messages.
positivo e senza paura. E vedrai che sarà sempre tutto ok. Hai capito?
Andiamo, dai, ci salutiamo, ci vediamo l'anno prossimo. Perché, scusami?
This is Renato and Ada. They're eating
Bello?
the appetizer.
Che bello, hai visto?
E cosa ha scritto lei?
Dai energia ai tuoi sogni senza paura. E ricordati che ti amo, c'è scritto. E poi sei protetto dagli angeli. E sei amato e ogni problema verrà risolto. Bello, no?
Here's what I wrote.
No, non l'ho fatto adesso.
Give energy to your dreams, not your fears.
Che bello. Che bello.
Grazie.
Grazie, Nito.
Wow. That's like radicchio in the center with a kind of like mini cheese polenta thing and called salame, and I don't know what kind of meat this is, but it's ham anyway. It's a risotto. Risotto with spag. We've got the
Devi provare quelli lì,
Qua, dimmi.
I ordered the mal tagliati. It sounds like I cut it bad. Male is bad. This is called mal tagliati. and it's with deer meat. So I don't really eat deer meat very often. The pasta is good. It has a bit of a cream in it, sauce, and kind of a gravy kind of flavor with bits of meat. It's quite good. And the other two, so the risotto is with the cream sauce and spag, and she got cassons, which is kind of like a gnocchi that has kind of a cream sauce with it. In Italian people say yum yum, and you know, like when they do this, it means wow, it's really good.
Buono?
Enrico had a crema catalana it's called, and that is some kind of, it's called a pasta sfoglie con crema. Anyway, actually the reason that I like this restaurant is because of the desserts. So I'm not a big fan of the second, I like the first. First means like the pasta or gnocchi, that kind of stuff. And then I really like the desserts. Now this restaurant, you kind of be careful. The people behind you are so loud that you can't even talk at all. It's really, I can't, like, you know, you came in for Enrico's birthday, whatever the time, but people are so loud. I don't know if you can hear me right now. But it really depends also who's talking, because some people are just, I don't know. But the dessert's good, so that's why we came here and we like this restaurant. And actually, this is a restaurant where we had our marriage dinner thing, and I think our first year anniversary, and my birthday one time, so we've been here a few times. So it has special meanings. I got another dessert because that's how I roll. So that gelato di vaniglia, which means vanilla gelato ice cream with pumpkin seed sauce and pumpkin seeds. And this is like a whipped. Do you hear me? Watch the Italian songs. The first time when I came to Italy, I wasn't used to like this way of like talking with your hands so much. His father is more calm. Enrico, he uses his hands. He's extra passionate right now because he's talking about music. Okay, I'm going to stop now before he notices. That is the restaurant Al Gnotto. That is the Al Gnotto restaurant right in front of the church. Losa! Beautiful, isn't it? They have a big tower too. In front of the church they set this up.